In the newer version of Excel, you can find three new functions regarding the regex. I'm going to share you the example for the same. Here regex can have a test, that means it can validate if the value exists or not, can extract the value and replace the value if found. So let's see first example equal to reject test, and here we are just going to see if all the value in this range contains a numeric value or not. Uh, so like this and bracket complete. So this is going to test that if it contains any numeric value. Okay, so here you can see in this cell there is no numeric value, that's why it is false. The same way, if you want to check with the text, then you just need to replace small d with a capital D. It will assume that this is the text need to be validated. Okay, next, to extract a value from the range, so reject extract, and here we want to extract a numeric value, so I'm just going to say same way slash d and bracket complete. But here you can see slash d will only return first value. If you want all the numbers after that, you can just add a plus over there and it is going to return everything. Here last one is replace, so if the value found, then it needs to be replaced. So I am just going to give a range over here, and I want to see all the numbers to be replaced. So I am putting small d over here with a blank space. And if I enter, you can see I get INB dash only. But in another way, if you want to only replace the text, then capital D and enter, it will give you this. This same function replaced left, mid, length, find, substitute, and many more other functions. Follow or subscribe. The full deep dive is dropping soon. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.